Welcome to Blogger and Transcriber Job Training and Application. I'm Jerry Banfield, and I've got a job opening combined with job training for you in this video course where I'm going to show you how to be a blogger and a transcriber with me. This is a part to full-time job. I've currently got $1,000+ a week that I can pay among all the different contractors who are available to help me with this. What we'll do in this very first video is go over the basics, and then I'll get into the details. When you finish this course, when you've gone all the way through it, at the end you'll get to where you can apply to the job. I encourage you to watch every video in this closely and do a really good final project that shows a very clear example of exactly what you can do, and you will have the best chance to get hired. The last one of these I posted, the guy that got the job has earned over $5,000 and maybe close to 10. Actually, I think he's up to $12,000 now since going through the job application with me. I'm grateful to have you here today. Let's show you what is the job. What does it involve? This is the end product. This is, you can see the whole process here. What I am looking for help with is taking the videos I publish to my YouTube channel. There's about 7 new videos that come out on my YouTube channel every day. And what I'm looking for help with is to get these YouTube videos into the very best blog posts on jerrybanfield.com, and then those blog posts get Google organic search traffic, which we send over primarily to Euthena to make sales on courses, and that's how everyone gets what they want. When someone's doing a Google search, they find a really helpful blog post. When they are learning all about it, a small percentage will go enroll in the course on Euthena. I get paid from the course enrollment. I've got money to pay you to keep doing this. Everybody wins. This is a system that I need help with. How does it work? Here's the basic thing we need. We take and start with a YouTube video. For example, this new one called Want to Be an Influencer. You take that video and get that into something that looks like this on jerrybanfield.com, which is on managed WordPress hosting with Kinsta. If you're looking for a web host, please go to the resources page on jerrybanfield.com and use that affiliate link, because I'll earn something if you do. These are things you want to know. If you want to be able to do this, you need to be able to transcribe a video, get pictures out of it, make a beautiful blog post, do it all on WordPress, and link appropriately or edit appropriately to make it the best blog post possible. Here's an example of what we've already been doing, and we're just scaling up what we've already been doing, which is how we could use your help. For example, I made a video a month ago called ActiveCampaign versus MailChimp. I've used both of these for email marketing. I'm on ActiveCampaign now. I trust you'll go to this post if you'd like to sign up for ActiveCampaign also, because I get 20% of any subscription fees you pay to ActiveCampaign. When you start with this video, what you do is you go through first and get an entire transcription out of the video. Or if you want to, you can just do this. Whatever process you make to have it come out beautiful and helpful for people is fine with me. The basic way it's been done so far is to first get a transcription of the whole video. Then go in and make it beautiful for a blog post. Something that if someone is in their Google search and lands on this page, they've got the video to watch right at the top of the page to get over to YouTube to get the highest user experience, or all the text is down here, which helps for search engine optimization to get the most people here. Once people are here, we need to give them everything that is in the video in the most beautiful way possible. For example, you can see this video about ActiveCampaign. What we did is we had a transcriber first transcribe the video, then we gave the transcription to our editor. Then the editor went through the YouTube video and the transcription and made this beautiful blog post. What I'd like is anywhere from 1 to 3 people to be able to do this entire process. You can do this yourself, hopefully, to be able to produce this whole thing. So let's look at the individual components of this and the key skills you'll need. This first, you need to be able to pick a different title than the YouTube video. We don't want the YouTube video and the blog post competing on search terms, and it's a chance to take a different shot at different search terms. You need to be able to take screenshots out of the YouTube video that are relevant and put them in the right places. For example, it says you can look at the cost here, then there's a screenshot right here. You also need to remove things from the transcript that don't make sense in the context of a blog post to give readers the best experience. You also need to be able to do things like drop my affiliate link into the post here. For example, you can see when you sign up for ActiveCampaign, when you do the transcript, then you need to go back in here and put in the ActiveCampaign links. Also, when there's anything else relevant mentioned in my business, for example, my friend Michel Girard is the one who actually edited this post. He links back to his own website there. If I mention something like a video course on Euthena, you need to be able to link back to that. When you finish up the post, then you go all the way down here, and you even get a link if you've got your own website or a profile or service you'd like to feature. You can even get a link back to it at the end. As you can see, this says edits from the video transcript by Michel Girard and link back to his website. That's great for your own search engine ranking and your own traffic. Thus, in addition to the money, you get the additional benefits of being able to link and promote yourself with this, which I hope makes that it puts that job on another level. This is the basics of what we're looking to create right here. And I'll go into more detail on each of these points. So the job is this: to go through, turn a YouTube video into a beautiful blog post on my WordPress site. And I don't want to do anything except the following. All I want to do, as I've been doing with Dennis for the transcripts, all I want to do is post a URL to a video, and you do everything else. All I do is go in, drop the videos that I want as blog posts, and then you go in and make it happen. That's the job. If you want a bigger context and a purpose for this, the idea is to maximize the value of all the videos that are on my YouTube channel to make sure that we get that information out in all the different formats possible. Thank you for looking at how to help with this. From here, the next thing we'll do is go into detail about how do you actually apply to and get hired for this job. What are you going to need to do in order to show me you can do this?